Hey, what's going on tonight? It's Nick here, and today we're going to be doing a little video on my Yeti cooler, my Yeti 35. We're going to be doing the video on how to do a warranty exchange. This is a new updated version, so we're going to be doing a small video on that. So here we go. All right, backstory. So I bought my Yeti 35 probably about, I want to say, about 3 years ago, 3.5 or so, something like that. And when I first bought the cooler, I had a problem with the drain plug leaking on me. And so I had it for about a month. I didn't get to use it too much because I had just graduated. And so I didn't bother with it too much. And then I took it out on the trip. And when I took it out, I realized that the drain plug was leaking on me. So what I did to remedy that was I went ahead and put two gaskets on the drain plug, and I tightened the crap out of it, and it was able to seal up for me pretty fine. But I was thinking to myself, man, I shouldn't have to tighten it up so much and put two gaskets and all this other crap. I paid about $300 for the dang cooler, 250, I guess, 270 it comes out with taxes or something like that. And so I was like, I shouldn't have to be hassling with this that much if I paid that much for the cooler. So I went ahead and I reached out to Yeti, and I let them know what was going on. Originally, I had went out and bought, because I thought it was a drain plug. I went out and bought two drain plugs and did the same thing, and that's where I got the second gasket remedy, because I went ahead and did that, and it sealed up for me. But after that, and then I got to thinking, that's when I reached out to Yeti. I let them know what was going on, and they told me that they would send me another 2 pack of gaskets, and to do the same thing and just let them know what was going on. So I did that, let them know what's going on, and they sent me another packet of gaskets after that. And so I was really looking for an exchange, because of the warranty and everything, but they wouldn't give me that option. So after they sent me the second pack of gaskets, I just left it at that. I didn't bother with it that much, you know, so because I just wanted to use a cooler and get on with my life or whatever. But come to think, 3 years down the line, I was like, man, I still got a warranty on this thing. I might as well let them know what's going on, be honest about it, and see if they can give me a new cooler, because I don't want to be hassling with it. And I just want it to work right. And I don't know if you can tell, there's a little bit of bowing on the top of the lid there on this right side. So I reached out to them again just a few days ago, let them know what's going on, and the lady told me that the old style gaskets were what was causing the problem. Basically, she said that the old design on the gasket and the material wasn't that good for sealing up, and they were getting a lot of calls about the gaskets. So they redesigned them, and they came out with a black gasket, which is this one here. So she sent me another 2 pack of these new style gaskets, and she said, go ahead and try them on, try and put it on the cooler, and if you're still leaking, or if the cooler's still leaking, not me, but if the cooler's still leaking, send a picture of the leak and the problem, and they should be able to pull up your notes and see what's going on, and we should be able to get you an exchange. I said, okay. So she sent out the drain plugs, and I got them pretty fast within about 2 days, because I guess I'm pretty close to Austin, or in Texas, she said. So I got them in about 2 days, put them on there, filled it up with ice, put some beers in it, and at first I had a little bit of leaking, a few drops, nothing major. But then I left it overnight. I woke up in the morning and there was a puddle the size of Texas. I shit you not. So I took a picture and put it on the claim and filled out the form and did all that bullcrap. And so within about, I want to say 4 days, they reached out back to me, gave me a call, and let me know what's going on. They said they were going to send an email with the return postage and the confirmation number for the exchange. All I had to do was send the old one back, and then they would send me another one. So that was kind of, I don't know, crappy, because I thought they were going to send the replacement, and then I would use the box and then send this one back. But that's not the case with the new policy, as I was told. So I had to go out and find a giant box to go and throw this thing in. So that's what the video is going to be about today. Just fitting the box and how to send it back and all that, and do the whole exchange process. So what I went ahead and did was I took, as you can see, I took everything off it just to have the spare parts. I took the rope handles off. I took the latches off just to have his spare parts. Hopefully they won't throw a fit about that. I also took the gasket off too, just to have extra in case I need it for the next one, and the wire basket. So I left the pins in there, took the gasket off, the lock that I had, the wire basket, the latches, and I wasn't going to take the drain plug out, but now that I'm thinking about it, I think I'm just going to take it out. And I'm just going to send the bare bones of the cooler back so they can do whatever the hell they're going to do with it. They're probably just going to throw it away, I figured, so I thought I might as well just take off the latches and everything, and hopefully they don't throw a fit about it. So we're going to go back into the shop, and we're going to cut up this box and wrap it up. Okay, hopefully this thing will move around on me. I don't have a stand with me. But we're in my screen printing shop here, and so I'm just going to put the box on top of there, and we're going to cut it up, and I'm just going to show you that. I'm not going to speak too much about it because it's pretty straightforward. But I'm just going to cut the box, and we're going to throw it in there. So here we go. See? So what do you see? It's a little bit good, but it's future. So I'm going to cut it up and see what. Hard to stand up. My GoPro is going to use it this week now. I think cut you up and get yourself over here. So, show you something. Very little bit of this is that's pretty well. So we're going to do a hack job. Just take it again. By the time we mess with it. So we get that. That's nice. Just sit back. Yeah, that was pretty good. Alright guys, so I got her all taped up. Got all the edges taped up. It's not too pretty. Like I said, you know, it's going to be a hack job. But I just want to get this thing sent off. I got the return postage here set on there nice and pretty. Got that taped off. And I also got here still all the Yeti parts and all the good stuff. So hopefully they won't throw a fit about it. But we'll see what happens. And I'll keep y'all posted. Keep y'all updated on how this all goes. Also, the packing slip is in there. I had a packing slip on there that you have to print, and I went ahead and went to my Mac and just printed it off. So pretty easy, pretty straightforward. But we'll see how easy it gets.